Welcome to the LexisNexis Practical Guidance Corporations Law module. We are looking at the Corporations Law homepage. From the Practical Guidance homepage, you have access to each of your individual practice areas at the top of the page. The practice area homepage is split into the following sections: Browse Topics, Search, Checklists and Precedents, Latest Legal Updates, and What's New. On the left-hand side of the page, you have a list of browsable topics. Click on the link to View All Topics to see a complete list of subject areas. Browsing in Practical Guidance is designed to be intuitive and straightforward. The list of topics have been selected and organised by our team of experienced solicitors from a variety of law firms and individuals such as Clifford Chance, Jones Day, Piper Alderman, Hunt and Hunt Lawyers, Truman Hoyle, Karen Otterson, and Dr. David Cox. On the right-hand side of the screen, you have the option to perform a quick search using keywords and connectors against all the content in this practice area. For more information on how to construct a search in Practical Guidance, please see further training modules. Now let's take a look at the Corporations Law module. In the Search in Corporations section, you have the option to search for individual content types. If I was looking for a particular corporations law case in Practical Guidance, I can click on the link to cases, and this takes me through to a cases template screen. To return back to the Corporations Law homepage, click on the link to the Practical Guidance icon in the top left-hand corner. Below the search section, you will have the option to view checklists that have been written by experts in the area. These provide a step-by-step guide on how to proceed with a particular matter. Let's click into the first checklist. Let's go back to the LexisNexis Practical Guidance homepage by clicking on the logo in the top left-hand corner. Below the Checklists section, you have Precedents. This provides you with access to all precedents available within the Corporations Law module. To view all of the precedents available, we'll click on View More Precedents. Once again, we'll return to the LexisNexis Practical Guidance homepage by clicking on the logo in the top left-hand corner. Below the precedents is the What's New in Corporations Law section. This section provides users with a snapshot of the latest legal updates in each practice area. These can range from the latest case digests, updates about legislation, and any news on bills and consultation papers relating to your practice area. The What's New section also alerts users to new documents that have been added to Practical Guidance content, such as new guidance notes or precedents. Let us focus our attention now on the Browse Topics section on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on View All Topics to see the full range of subtopics available. In the Browse Topics section, you will find a selection of high-level topics that are designed to align to your day-to-day queries. Let us now explore a subtopic. Any blue link that you see underlined on Practical Guidance means it is a hyperlink. Should you wish to learn more about member approval and exceptions in related party transactions, simply click on the link onto Member Approval and Exceptions. Clicking into the blue link now takes us through to a separate screen where we have access to our detailed resources. Practical Guidance has pulled together a number of tabs running from left to right, which contain all relevant overview, guidance, commentary, cases, legislation, forms and precedents, and other resources that are relevant to our chosen topic. Let us have a look at the tabs in more detail. The Overview tab provides readers with a quick digest of the key and important issues arising under your chosen topic so that you can gain an understanding of the issues at a quick glance. If I require a more detailed explanation of the in-depth issues, click on the next tab along to Guidance. Guidance contains detailed guidance notes on your chosen topic. The guidance on Practical Guidance has been written by experts from Clifford Chance, Jones Day, Piper Alderman, Hunt & Hunt lawyers, Truman Hoyle, Karen Otteson, and Dr. David Cox. Let us have a look at a guidance note. I'm going to click into Public Companies, and we'll have a look at the guidance note there. Guidance notes quickly allow fee earners to check a point of law and provide a step-by-step explanation of the area. As well as detailing the legal position, the guidance notes will always provide you with the supporting authority, with links to the legislation and case law that support the legal position. If you require further in-depth research, some guidance pages give you the option to learn more about your subject area with the links to read more about this from LexisNexis AU, which provides you additional commentary from our flagship products free of charge. Or a link to further reading, for which you will need a LexisNexis AU subscription and will open the commentary in a new window. We can return to the tabs by clicking on the subtopic name, Member Approval and Exceptions on the left-hand side. Let's now click into the Commentary tab. The Commentary tab provides you with key LexisNexis commentary. For this topic, Holsbury's Laws of Australia and Australian Corporation Law Principles and Practice are some of the key commentary text for this practice area. The commentary extracts act as standalone chapters with practical guidance selected by our experts. You always have the option to move between topics and subtopics by using the Topics menu on the left-hand side of the page. We'll click here on Corporate Financing. We'll now click on the Lending subtopic. Now we'll click into the Cases tab. The Cases tab pulls together the leading cases on your chosen topic. Cases for this topic are hand-picked from our extensive collection of law reports and unreported judgments. If you can't find the case that you're looking for in this list of cases, scroll down to the bottom of the page and you have the option to search for a case within Practical Guidance. Let's now go back to our list of cases. If you would like to carry out a more in-depth search, you can also search your LexisNexis AU subscription via the link at the bottom of the page. LexisNexis AU will automatically run a search for lending against all of the law reports that you have available under your LexisNexis AU subscription. For more information on how to search for individual content types, please refer to further training modules. Let's now click into the Legislation tab. The Legislation tab provides you with essential primary and secondary legislation. Let us have a look at the Commonwealth Corporations Act 2001. The legislation on Practical Guidance is consolidated and fully up to date within 48 hours of a change to the law. The left-hand side allows me to navigate between the different sections to the Act. I also have the option to view the whole Act as one long, continuous document in PDF format by clicking on the link to view full enactment. This will bring up the whole Act in a separate PDF window. and I'll choose Open. Let's now go back to the original page. Let's return to our original search topic of member approval and exceptions, which is a subtopic under related party transactions. I'll use the left-hand menu to navigate to this page. Let's now go to the Forms tab. The Forms section will list any key forms relevant to your chosen topic. If there are no forms which the Practical Guidance team consider are relevant to your topic, then the Forms tab will be shaded in grey. Let's now open the first form. Let's now go to the Precedents tab. The Precedents tab lists any key precedents relevant to your chosen topic. Precedents are written by our expert authors and/or sourced from authoritative titles such as the Australian Encyclopedia of Forms and Precedents. The final tab is the Other Resources tab. We'll now click into this. This tab provides links through to external websites, including government and court websites. Let's click into Need for Member Approval. Let's now return back to the LexisNexis Practical Guidance homepage by clicking on the logo in the top left-hand corner. This concludes the Corporations Law module.